Adding the Apollo.io Chrome extension is an easy way to enhance your lead generation efforts while browsing LinkedIn or other websites. Here's how to add and use the Apollo.io extension. Install the extension. Open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Apollo.io extension or visit the direct link to the Apollo.io Chrome extension page. Click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to add the extension. Click Add extension to confirm. Sign in to Apollo.io. After installation, click on the Apollo.io icon in your browser's toolbar to open the extension. You will be prompted to sign into your Apollo.io account. Enter your credentials to log in. Start using the extension. Once logged in, you can start using the extension. When browsing LinkedIn profiles or other web pages, you can use the extension to capture contact details, such as emails and phone numbers, from profiles that match your ideal customer profile. The extension also provides the ability to add these leads directly to your Apollo.io account, where you can segment, enrich, and initiate outreach campaigns. Access and manage leads. Leads captured through the extension can be directly added to your Apollo.io dashboard, where you can manage them, enrich their data, and use them for sales outreach.